to the InfoComm Asia. This is our booth at F52. I'm Vilia. Today we took the confirm systems. As you can see, this is the wireless microphones. Have two colors, black and white. And today I have to tell you one thing. Every microphone, the back, have 5 directivity. You can adjust flexible to require your meeting. As for the wired boundary microphones, also have these functions. Body microphone too. Welcome to our booth at 52 to experience this. Bye bye.